Welcome to Lodi Toyota, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with TRD off-road package, navigation, rear view camera, Entune app suite, steering wheel controls, electronic stability control, auto high beam headlamp control, speed sensing steering, alloy wheels, Sirius XM satellite radio, and has less than 95,000 miles on the odometer. Here at Lodi Toyota, our goal is to earn customers for life. We work hard to provide our customers with the best purchasing experience. Lodi Toyota is the best place for all your automotive needs. And with ratings averaging 4.5 stars, our customers agree. So come see us today. We're located at 1020 South Beckman Road in Lodi. Lodi Toyota. Drive a little, save a lot.